To do state one.
First of all, good morning to all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Was I connected before also? Was I in the meeting before this entry, or I have just entered the meeting right now?
And you were there.
Maybe you were there.
I don't know. There was
Maybe
some
you were there.
problem. There was some problem.
Ma'am,
It was
because
saying your Zoom isn't responding. There was some problem
yes,
with
ma'am.
the Zoom
Because
app.
I become the host.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes,
Because
yes. There was some problem. So, okay. So now, Varun, what are you asking? Today also we'll do what?
ma'am, that state one importance of states.
Things. Yes, ma'am. The important
Yes.
thing of the
Yes.
states.
Yes, yes, yes. We are going to do that.
Ma'am, I have done the 16. Ma'am, I have done all. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
only
I have
Gujarat
to
and
done all. Okay.
yes,
So
ma'am.
tell me, what did you write from different states?
Okay, ma'am. Then I am telling that.
Okay, who all are left to do this work?
Ma'am,
That's 16th.
ma'am,
Yes, Varun,
ma'am, I'm on
you
Uttar
can
Pradesh.
start doing.
Ma'am,
Lakshita, good.
Ma'am, we have to do 17 also.
Yes, we have to cover up all the states.
Ma'am, can I tell you what I have done?
Okay, wait. I'm going to ask you for just one state. Let me just figure what page are we on? We are on page number 103. We started from Punjab, right? Okay. Punjab, we had a lot of discussion. Anshuman, have you done from Uttar Pradesh?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. So tell me, what all important things have you included from UP?
Then can I take
Okay.
I have 2 notebooks of SST, so I have to find it.
All right. Till then, Lakshita Gangwar, did you do for Uttar Pradesh?
No, ma'am, that one is left.
All right. So did you do for
Ma'am, I
Delhi?
am starting.
Lakshita Gangwar, did you do for Delhi?
Ma'am,
Then
I
can
am
I
starting.
speak Uttar Pradesh?
Okay, Anshuman, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first point is Lucknow capital.
Okay.
Rivers flow Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Betwa and Chambal. Crops wheat, rice, sugarcane and maize. Lamda, variety of mango. Language, Hindi and Urdu. Dance, Kathak. Famous cities, Agra and Kanpur. Famous for Taj Mahal, textile, chemical, leathers and engineering industries. Lucknow, famous for chicken work, and Muradabad, famous for brass work. Ma'am, this.
Very nice, Anshuman. Very well written. See, in short, you have included all the things of Uttar Pradesh. Very good. So, even if you learn these points, you will have whole paragraph, these 2 paragraphs in your mind, right? Now, with these keywords, what we can do, we can elaborate these keywords and prepare full big paragraph. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Lakshita, have you written for Delhi? Lakshita is not answering.
17. Yesterday, Lakshita. Ma'am, yesterday, Lakshita was studying with me. Ma'am, I have seen that she has written first on Punjab.
Okay, fine. Okay, Iram Naz. Iram Naz, are you trying to speak something better? You are not connected to audio.
Ma'am, she is connected. Ma'am, but we cannot hear.
Yes, we cannot hear, and neither that mic is being shown on her block. Iram, do one thing better, type in the chat box. We can't understand you. Okay, Then after that, now Utsav, Dev, Gunagya, Lakshita, Rachit, Iram, Krishna, Jaiswal, and Varun and Anshuman. Continue with your work from the next state. Then again we are going to discuss. Okay? Anshuman, till which state have you written? Anshuman, till which state?
Ma'am, I have completed Gujarat.
You have completed Gujarat. My God, you have done everything from this chapter. Iram, beta, please type in the chat box. Iram has left. Okay, Utsav, till where have you done?
Ma'am, till Rajasthan.
All right. So your Gujarat is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Varun,
Ma'am, till Delhi.
Iram, you are shouting at your place, beta, in your house. There is no point. I'm telling you to type in the chat box because it is not being, your voice is not being audible. You have typed in the chat box. There is nothing in the chat box. My chat box is absolutely empty.
Ma'am, I think there will be the network issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Ma'am,
see
in
what Iram has typed?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, I can't see.
Ma'am, any word I cannot.
Ma'am, it is
Written.
come.
Can you see?
Ma'am, ma'am, from you, it's come. Hello.
Iram beta, nothing has appeared in the chat box also. I think you should leave the meeting and join again. Just try it out.
Ma'am, in second period also this thing happens with Iram.
With Iram. Today I think there is some problem in Zoom, probably.
Very clear. No, ma'am, there will be not a problem. But, ma'am, because your message has come.
Yes,
But I was
ma'am.
also facing problem while logging in. It was saying Zoom is not responding.
And ma'am, in the morning, Maria ma'am also have faced.
Yes, ma'am.
The same issue. Today there is some problem with the signal, the network. She is also using Airtel network. I'm also using Airtel. So there is some problem, I think, with
Ma'am, I
Airtel
am
today.
using Geo. Ma'am, I am
Okay.
using Geo.
All right.
And I am using also.
Airtel.
I
But
am
Utsav,
using
your
Airtel.
signals are perfect.
Ma'am, I am using Airtel.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am,
using.
So children, now you know what you have to do. Please start doing your work.
Ma'am, I have a work for do. And that day I have not had.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, in the last class we were doing now, we were writing the key points, all the important things that belong to a state. From chapter 16 and 17 we were supposed to do. Did you attend that class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to continue with that work. Jayesh, till which state have you done? Jayesh, till which state have you done? Iram is facing some terrible network issues. Iram, I am typing to you directly. Have you received my message?
Ma'am, when no one is speaking, I can hear Iram's voice. From now I am on Bihar.
What are you saying, Varun?
Now I am on the state of Bihar.
You are writing the state of Bihar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Iram, if you want, beta, you can type to me on WhatsApp. If you want to ask anything, just send me a message on WhatsApp, beta. I'll clear your doubt.
Ma'am, now I am at Chhattisgarh.
Good, good. Very nice.
Ma'am, in this chapter there is no Chhattisgarh.
He has started doing the next chapter, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ma'am, he is on that chapter now.
Yes. Anshuman, you have completed this chapter?
Ma'am, 16, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, all states completed.
Yes. Good. But beta, don't go so fast. Do you want to catch a train? Do it neatly, do it nicely. Yes. Okay, Iram, I'll check. Wait, beta. Iram, I have not received any message from you on WhatsApp and I cannot hear you here. On Zoom, I cannot hear you. I can't understand what you are saying. Hmm.
Ma'am, we can listen but not so clearly.
Yes, I really have to dig my ears into my laptop to hear what you are saying, but still I'm being unable to hear. Okay, Iram has sent a message finally. Iram, something is wrong. See, your message is also blank, no voice. If it is plugged in anywhere. Iram, if you're connected to headphones or something, better please take out your headphone and then speak. Again, send this message. In the end, last word that came was message. That's all. The whole audio is blank.
Who is saying again and again message?
Iram has, ma'am, I have done 5 states. Very good, Iram. Great.
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, I am doing 50 state.
And ma'am, I'm disconnected. There is some terrible network.
Ma'am, I think ma'am he can type the message but not speak anything.
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
And now he is
Ma'am,
saying,
Ashwik has come now. After 20 minutes.
Who has come now? Who was it?
I'm Ashwik.
Ashwik, beta, why have you joined so late?
ma'am, I am not connecting to the meeting.
Yes, there is some problem. Zoom is creating a big problem today. So many people are facing this problem.
Yes, ma'am. I was thinking that Sangeeta ma'am is also disconnected from the meeting. And ma'am, Sangeeta
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, first, second, and third periods are very, ma'am.
They are packed,
Ma'am.
jam packed. There is a lot of traffic, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the chapter 16.
Very, very good.
Ma'am, I
Now I have.
Ma'am, Anshuman is doing very fast.
Anshuman, what is making you do so fast? Okay, wait, Anshuman. Now I'm going to stop you. Jharkhand. Okay, Anshuman, what have you written for Chhattisgarh? Tell us.
Ma'am, I am writing the last line of the Chhattisgarh.
And ma'am, he is saying Jharkhand.
Chapter 17.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Ma'am, who is making the sound of shank?
I don't know, beta.
Ma'am, Anshuman has done these dates very fast because they are very small.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but Chhattisgarh is doing
chapter is very small. Yes, ma'am.
Which chapter? 16th chapter.
No, ma'am, 17.
17th. Okay.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh are very small.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, he can do.
Ma'am, but I am thinking that Uttarav and Anshuman, how they come so fast.
Ashwik, do you know, beta, what is being done in the class? Ashwik, do you know?
Ma'am, I am late, so please tell.
So, beta, why haven't you asked me till now? Were you there? Were you present day before yesterday? No, you were not present. So you don't know what is being done. Okay, take out your social studies copy. And in your social studies copy from chapter 16 and 17, details of all the states are given, right? So you have to write in key points the important things of each state, like the important crops, important occupation, important festival, important cities, anything important, food, the chief food of that state. All the important things have to be written. Just write down the heading. Suppose you're writing for Punjab, so write down everything that belongs to that state in just one word. You don't have to write the whole sentence. Like you can write the major crops. Then what all crops are grown there? Sugarcane, wheat, rice, jute, whatever. Write these 4 names. Make bullets like how we do in computer. We create PPTs. That is how you have to do. Write it in your copy. All the significant points, main points of all the states. Is it fine?
Ma'am, today I have done 2 states.
Very nice, Pita.
No.
Ma'am, Irene is saying
Iram,
something.
16 chapter.
what
Ma'am,
is
the
Iram
state of
saying?
Haryana.
That she is speaking something.
Can anybody understand what she's speaking?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, he is saying that
Ma'am, there is no place.
Ma'am, she is saying there is no plane.
Plain?
Ma'am, she is saying there is no tourist attraction in West Bengal.
No problem, beta. If it is not there, don't write. You don't necessarily have to write, na? Like there are no educational institutions given of Bihar, so you will not write. Famous educational
Ma'am, there
institutions.
are no educational institutions in other states than Delhi.
Yes, only of Delhi. So whatever, whichever state has whatever main features, you have to write for them.
Ma'am, I am on West Bengal.
Ma'am, I am in Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, sir is also on Chhattisgarh. Like Anshuman.
Good, good, good.
Ma'am, I am on Chhattisgarh.
I also.
Beta, very nice. Keep doing your work.
Ma'am, I have done Chhattisgarh.
Very good. Very nice.
That Chhattisgarh. I am doing Chhattisgarh.
I have done.
Ma'am, I was joking. I have done Jharkhand also.
Beta, where do I see if it's correct or not? No problem. Sequence is not a problem. The information should be correct.
Ma'am, after doing West Bengal, I I will complete my today's 3 states.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to do city of Kolkata also. City of Joy.
Yes. You can include it in West Bengal only.
Ma'am, we have to do Kolkata also.
Beta, you can include the information of Kolkata in the state of West Bengal only.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, I have done Jharkhand.
Very nice.
I have started.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, I am doing it so fast because ma'am, I have underlined already all the things.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am, I have done this work. So, ma'am, I am on the now.
Ma'am, I am on Kolkata.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have done Orissa.
Ma'am, how can we do so fast?
Because I have underlined all the things already.
are famous for religion. People speak Marathi.
Ma'am, I have also underlined. Now I will do it faster
Very good, beta.
than that.
Ma'am, I am on the next stage. The desert.
Ma'am, I have done Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Okay. Utsav, what all points did you write for Odisha?
Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, capital Bhubaneswaram. Ma'am, port Paradip Port. Ma'am, classical dance Odissi. Dam Hirakud Dam.
Okay. And
Ma'am, crops rice
big towns?
Ma'am, crops. Ma'am, I have not included that.
Okay, you should have written. It's such a small paragraph as it is. Kattak and Puri are big towns of that place. And okay. So that otherwise it's perfect. Varun, where are you?
Ma'am, I am on Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay, beta.
Ma'am, Maharashtra done.
Very nice.
Maharashtra done. Okay.
He belongs to the state Lake Suka, home for migratory birds, lies in writing this. Now come from Maharashtra.
And now I am on the ma'am, Rajasthan and Gujarat.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think only 3 students are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Other
Anshuman is
students
doing,
think-
Varun is doing, Utsav is doing, Iram is doing, Ashvik is doing. Ashvik, till where have you reached? I can't believe that other students are not doing. It's really
Ma'am, on Punjab.
very good. Lakshita, what about you?
Ma'am, I am on West Bengal.
Okay, very good, beta. Krishna, Rachit, where are you, children?
Ma'am, because no one is speaking.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I am here.
What, ma'am?
Rachit, on which state are you, beta?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Beta, I'm talking to
Ma'am,
Rachit.
Chhattisgarh.
Just wait, let him answer. Rachit, I
Ma'am,
can't
I am
hear.
on Chhattisgarh.
Okay, very nice, very good. Yes, Varun, now ask.
Rajasthan. Ma'am, when I complete the state of Gujarat, I will come to next chapter. So when there
No.
is written the peninsula region.
No,
That
you
also
don't
I
have to write that. You don't have to write that. Just start writing the
Okay.
next state. Fine?
From Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Desert.
Karnataka done. Yes.
Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.
Yes, Utsav is very quick. Utsav, I want to see your handwriting. I want to see how neatly you write. Or you just make a very this thing. Just to maintain your speed, you do dirty work. I want to see this.
Okay, ma'am, I will show you, ma'am, when all the states will complete.
Okay, good. Children, now there is no time left. Next minute the class is going to get over.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not lie, Anshuman. You were on Karnataka.
What is Iram saying? What is Iram saying? Let me listen. Yes, Iram. Beta, you have to give that project work to your class teacher. Your class teacher is the in charge. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, you have left from the group.
Yes, beta, this is because